Lake.
Welcome back to Newswatch 12. Here we have a live and peaceful look out at Mount Shasta. This view brought to you by the Mount Shasta Resort. You can see plenty of new snow cover. We did just receive plenty of snow last night. We're still pretty chilly at 36 degrees. Still seeing some visibility impacts. We're only at 6 statute miles right now, and we are seeing those very poor road conditions. As far as temperatures for our whole region, you can see all of Southern Oregon and Northern California starting to warm up just a little bit. We are in the 30s for our east side areas, right above freezing for Klamath Falls. We're all the way up to 45 here in Medford and 41 in Grants Pass. We'll warm up just a little bit more, probably around up to 37 in Klamath Falls, 34 in Lakeview, all the way up to around 43 in Wairika and 49 along the coast in Brookings. We're already starting to see a slight break from this active weather that we saw early this morning. Definitely still seeing some rain-snow mixtures in the Siskiyou County areas and even some rain-snow mixtures in the east side areas as well. But as the day continues, those will break down even further, and we'll start to see these calm conditions persisting and drier conditions for the night tonight. Along with these drier conditions, temperatures will cool very significantly, especially with all of the wet weather that we did just receive. And these cooler temperatures, we can expect to see some freezing fog, potentially along our east side areas. Those temperatures getting down to 19 degrees in Klamath Falls. We'll be right at 32 freezing here in Medford. Could be seeing some patchy fog, especially for our west side valleys, impacting visibility. So keep that in mind as you head out the door for the night tonight or in the early morning hours for Tuesday. As far as stormcast, you can see right around dinner time, seeing some pretty widespread cloud cover, maybe some spotty showers here and there, but we're going to start to dry out Tuesday. We're going to be seeing lots more sunshine, and then those drier conditions persisting all the way through Wednesday as well. As far as for your travel forecast, you can see going to be seeing some pretty good conditions for Tuesday and Wednesday, especially in our higher elevations. But Thursday is another round of storms. We have another cold front coming through, and this one looking to be a little bit more potent than the last one, bringing some pretty heavy snow, mainly impacting our higher elevations. So with this, it's always good to know what to have in your car, especially if you are planning on traveling Thursday anywhere through this weekend in our higher elevations. Go ahead and bring some non-perishable foods, maybe even some water or some cell phone chargers and medication as well. Because you can see as far as our rain and thunderstorm chances, staying nice and dry Tuesday and Wednesday, but like I said, some more active weather coming into our weekend and probably into the start of our work week next week. As far as our drought monitor, you can see we're going to need all the rain we can get. We do still have an extreme drought going right through our region from Siskiyou County all the way into Klamath and Lake counties as well. We are still making some pretty good improvements, but again, we definitely need this wet weather that is on its way. As far as your 7-day forecast for your work week, you can see temperatures ranging in the 40s and 50s along the coast, seeing those pretty breezy conditions for the day today. For Northern California, those temperatures in the 40s, seeing those slightly cooler overnight lows. Definitely saw some heavy snow earlier this morning, so please drive careful as you head out the door. Same thing for the Klamath Basin, still seeing those wet roads. Temperatures for this work week in the 30s and seeing those cooler overnight lows. For the mountains, going to be staying nice and dry for Tuesday and Wednesday, but definitely some heavy snow in our higher elevations impacting our passes, so keep that in mind as you travel this weekend. And here in the Rogue Valley, those temperatures in the 40s, just slightly below average for this time in December, staying dry for Tuesday and Wednesday, but another very active pattern working its way in for our weekend.